Welcome to in front of me Realme Narzo 50A Prime, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that click here on the sound section. Here you can set the ring volume panel. Just to change the ringtone volume, you should slide this dot to the left or to the right side with your finger by this way. And also we have the second way how we can do that. Just press your up or down volume button, and by this way you can also change your device ringtone volume, and also we can swipe this volume panel manually with our finger to the up or to the down. So that's it. That's how to change ringtone volume of your Realme device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.